Welcome to John Banks Honda. I'm Mark Banks, and today I'm in our St Edmunds Honda branch. And yes, we've got to bring the bad news to the whole network that we are going to finally see the end of Civic Type R production as we know it. So this is the latest model Civic Type R here, but because of emissions in the European zone, the Type R Civic can no longer carry on in its petrol-only manual derivative. So what does that mean? Well, it means we've got the last of the Civic Type Rs. So everybody who's been thinking about one, this is the last hurrah. There's a handful of cars left. We've got one of each colour. It are 4 Honda branches in physical stock at today, and we're going to bring you a great offer to run this car out. So we're going to give you a deposit contribution from Honda of £2,500. On top of that, we're going to give you a John Banks run-out offer of £2,300. So that's £4,800 deposit contributions, and your monthly payment on one of these on a 6.9 APR. So that's about a 3.5% flat rate finance, so well below the Bank of England base rate, and you can drive one of these away from as little as £399.69. So this offer is on the last few cars that we've got, and trust me, Honda, there is a handful of cars. So if you want to have the last of the Type R Civic, now's your time to buy one. And you know what happens with all of these cars: once they are gone and you can't get them anymore, they go through the roof. So it isn't like there's a new one coming next week and there's a newer, greater model. All the things you read have got, on the forums, that there's going to be a hybrid electric twin motor. I can't give you any of that information, because as far as I know, this is the end. It's splattered all over the world, the end. So great car. It wins all the top gear still, and it's unbelievable. 6-speed manual, and like I say, so if you want one of these, www.johnbanks.co.uk, and we've got branches in Colchester, Ipswich, St Edmunds and Cambridge. So if you want to be one of the last to get a Civic Type R with a great offer, then get one of the dealerships, get there quick, and get one bought. Thanks for watching.